you guys, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Rituparna and as you've heard from the title, we are in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Right now I'm in my hotel and as you can see from the window, those are the Petronas Twin Towers. Yes, that's the hotel that we booked, and if you want to know which hotel we are staying at, then you should watch the previous vlog because I have filmed my entire journey from India to here and it was quite interesting. In this vlog, I'm going to be taking you around Kuala Lumpur and the attractions it has to offer. I am so excited to explore this beautiful city because it's a mix of so many cultures, and to experience all of that is going to be so much fun. Today is the 11th of June 2024 and currently it's almost 6 p.m. or maybe more than that, and the agenda is to head there to the Surya KLCC Park and the Surya KLCC Mall as well. So let's go and check out the Petronas Twin Towers and the entire KLCC area. So I'm at the Surya KLCC Park and the KLCC Mall is right behind me. But can you see the Petronas Twin Towers? So close and so beautiful. And also, this is the water fountain area where the show is going to begin sometime in the evening. I don't know when, but oh my god, so pretty. Currently we are waiting for the fountain show to begin, but looks like it's gonna rain. I just fingers crossed it doesn't rain, otherwise we've been waiting here for almost 30 minutes at this point and we'll have to leave. So hopefully we get to see the light and fountain show and then we can just click some beautiful pictures with the Twin Towers. Guys, but time to check out some stores. Not going to shop anything, but just window shopping. That's what girls do. As we dropped into Chili's for lunch, we couldn't really think of anything else. We wanted to go for any restaurant, but we can't find any here. But check out the view. Welcome to day 2 in Kuala Lumpur. Ignore the mess behind me. We have already used the room for a night, but today is a very exciting day. We would be going to explore the Batu Caves and also the KL Tower and Thenu Temple. That's why I have worn something like this because there's special requirement in Batu Caves to cover your shoulders and your knees. Currently it's 9:30 and we are pretty late. I'm already expecting a lot of crowd there. It's fine. We needed to sleep in after our flight and everything yesterday. So time to book a grab and then I'll see you at the temple. We finally reached Batu Caves and that's the golden statue right behind me. Our cab driver was so sweet. He told us so many things, but let's go. It's going to be a long way up and I'm very excited. So guys, we are here at the Batu Caves and what you see behind me is a 141 feet tall Murugan statue. This is a South Indian temple. There are a lot of temples in this vicinity as well. As you can see, it's really crowded at this moment. And I think the number of steps to go up, like the rainbow step that you see behind me, probably 200 plus, so we need to start climbing up to see the limestone caves, and I'm so excited to explore this beautiful area. The limestone caves in Batu Caves are estimated to be around 400 million years old. The limestone forming the caves dates back to the Permian period. These caves have been used as shelters by the indigenous Temuan people and have become a significant religious site for Hindu worship. Point of time, the humidity has really got to me. As you can see, my hair is completely sweaty, and now we're just climbing back down. We will visit the temple before leaving the complex, but this place is so beautiful. I would highly recommend coming here. Just beware of all the monkeys that are around. Keep all your belongings inside so that they don't snatch it from you. Let's go and visit the temple now. So we've got back to our hotel. It's pretty humid outside, not very hot but definitely humid. As you can see, my hair is all sweaty. Now the plan is to chill for a while because it's quite hot outside, and then we'll head to the KL Tower. We've got tickets to the attraction, which means we'll have access to the observation deck, the skybox, and the sky deck as well. So can't wait to see the entire view of Kuala Lumpur from up top, and then most probably we're gonna head to the Thentau temple post that, and let's see where we end up the night.
1 hour later.
One thing about Malaysia, like not Malaysia, but about Kuala Lumpur that I don't understand is why is the Grab waiting time so long? Literally, सुबह हम लोग को बहुत जल्दी cabs मिल गई थी, but right now it's showing like 25 minutes, 70 minutes. My destination by walk is 25 minutes away, so we've decided to walk and save some. But oh my god, इतना ज़्यादा waiting time. Anyways, I'm gonna enjoy this weather. Hopefully, I don't start sweating anytime soon or find it too hot. The weather has calmed down a little bit. So let's go and walk. This city is super walkable and almost all the main attractions are near to the city center, so it's a great thing. So guys, after walking for almost 25 minutes, we are here at the KL Tower. It's right behind me, not this boat but the tower which is right behind me. And now we have to go up, get our tickets. We have the tickets from Klook. I think we need to exchange them for hard format tickets or not, I'm not really sure, but let's go. It's so pretty. Also, let me show you the second tallest building in the world, just right here, Merdaka 181, which I showed you in the first vlog as well. The KL Tower is one of the best places to get a 360-degree view of the entire city, and I would highly recommend going here during the sunset. For the skybox, you will get a token with a number on it, and you get a 45-second window to click your photos and your videos, so make sure you make the most of it. Honestly, the sky deck and the skybox was the best part of my experience here, so I would highly recommend checking it out. This is the observation deck, which is not that happening, and also there's a lot of guys, we're done with KL Tower. It's right behind me. It's in its full glory, and now we're headed to Bukit Bintang. I'm just too tired now. I don't know why, but I'm tired, and I don't know what the plan of action is. It is supposed to be one of the most happening places here in KL. So yeah, looking forward to it. Earlier we were supposed to go to Thentau temple, but we've cancelled that because the temple has closed down at 8 PM. So yeah, just waiting for a grab car, and then I'll see you next when we reach Bukit Bintang. My god! This literally looks like New York Times Square. Guys, this place has all the New York feels. It is literally so cool. Like, you know, the Times Square feel that this place can offer. Bukit Bintang is a vibrant district in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia, renowned for its diverse attractions that appeal to all travelers. It offers a dynamic mix of shopping, dining, and entertainment, including luxury malls like Pavilion KL and trendy boutique. The area also hosts lively nightlife spots from rooftop bars to clubs. After all that New York feels, I had no idea that I'm going to get a small glimpse of Tokyo here in Kuala Lumpur. This crossing was just like the one located in Shibuya, Tokyo, and the vibe of walking with so many people and crossing the road was just amazing. So guys, we're now heading back home after a dinner at McDonald's. Such an affordable dinner we had. If you guys are interested in knowing what am I eating here in KL, then you should definitely check out my shorts and my Instagram reels because that's where I'm uploading everything. Time to head back home. We're going to be walking home. It's around 80 minutes walk, but let's go.
The next morning.
Hey you guys, it's our day 3 in Kuala Lumpur and sadly our last day, but that doesn't mean our Kuala Lumpur adventures have come to an end because we'll be coming back here for one more day and then you will be getting one more vlog from this place. For now, we are going to be checking out from this hotel and heading to our next destination. I hope you guys liked this vlog and found it informational and resourceful. If you need any kind of other information, do check out the description box below because I'll be leaving links to every activity, this hotel that we are staying in the description box, and also my previous vlog if you haven't watched that. With that, we come to an end to this vlog and you know the drill. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, share it with your friends, comment this emoji in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.